Oh, welcome guys, So welcome to my mathematical channel. Before I start to solve any question, so hope you guys subscribe to my channel. So my channel talking about mathematics, physics, and like from high school or something, basically very broad. But now this is a new series. Basically, I will pick some interesting mathematical question like high school or some college, so that you guys can and me can have fun, and I will solve this equation. Solve this question one by one, just for fun. Okay, so hope you guys leave a comment, subscribe, and click the beautiful like button. Okay, so this question should be very elementary. So it says that you have an integer series, right? So basically, the positive integer series. So each an should be positive integer. And which is satisfy the strange rules, basically an plus 3 equals to an plus 2, an plus 1 plus 2an. Okay? And suppose you know that the a6 is 2 to a8. I hope you guys find a1, a2, a3, right? So this question is, the key idea is what? The key idea is that, this is integer. So this is a positive integer, which is a key. Okay, so let's see how to solve it. So the non-trivial, obviously a6 is what? Is let's say a5, right? a4 plus a3, right? And but we hope to find this, right? So then I do the same thing, right? I should write a5 as what? As a4, a3 plus 2a2. And then this is a4, right? So I should write it as a3, a2 plus 2a1. So this is a4 and the 2a3, right? Need and fix a3. Okay, so I get 1a4 and a3 plus 2a2. And then this turn, this is a3, right? So okay, so now you see a thing is that you can plug you can pull a3 out. So you get a3, a2 plus 2a1 plus 2. Okay, and you can write this a4, right? As you can write this a4 as a3 times let's see. So a4, right? A4 is so this is a5, right? This turns a5. So I can write a4 as this, right? So it's a3 times a2 plus 2a1, right? So you get this term, you get the square because there are 2a3, and then you get the a2 plus 2a2 and a2 plus 2a1 plus 2, and then you also this term. Okay, so you get this expression. Okay, so now what you get, right? You get 2 to a8, and these are integer. Okay, so now you know how to solve it, right? Very easy. You just do the prime factorization. So you do the prime factorization. Just write as prime. Okay, so let's maybe see 2 to a8, right? So I can write as 16 times 11 times 13. I mean you can try, right? So it's 2 to the 4th times 11 times 13. Okay, so you need to write as 4 products, right? You need to write it as 4 products, right? And then you see, this is a3 plus 2a2. This is a3 plus 2a2, and then this is a2 plus 2a1 plus 2 is a2 plus 2a1, right? So they are differ by 2. You see, they are differ by 2. So obviously this term should be equal to 11. So a2 plus 2a1 is right. A2 plus 2a1 should be 11. And a3 squared, right? So a3 squared, a3 plus 2a2. So this is 11, right? This is 13. So now we already used these two. So now we still have this factor, right? So we get this term is 16. Right, so now we have possibilities that a2 equals 2a2 should be 11, and a3 squared plus a3 plus 2a2 should be 16. Okay, so I can count, right? I can count how many solutions. So here it's 2 to the 4, right? So there's a case that a3 can only be 1 or 2. Okay, and the reason is that if a3 is not 1 or 2, then it must be 4 or something, right? But if it is 4, then a3 plus 2a2 will be 1, right? Which is impossible because they are both be positive, right? So a3 can only be 1 or 2. Okay, so let's maybe see if A3 is 1. Let's just say if A3 is 1. Let's say A3 is 1. Then what we have is what? Then the A3 plus 2A2 will be 16, right? But this is 1. Then A2 will be 15 divided by 2, which is non-integer, right? So there's no this solution. Right, so the only solution is A3 is 2. Okay, so if A3 is 2, then we put in this, we get the 4A3 plus, let's write it down. So we get 2 plus 2A2, which is 16. So we tell you that A2 must be 1, right? Because 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 times 4 is 16. And then you also get A1 is what? Is 5, right? So final results is A1 is 5, A2 is 1, A3 is 2. Okay, so solve this. So this question is very easy. You just write down the expression and use the integer, positive integer factorization, and hope you guys can easily get this for fun. See you guys in the next videos.